On the pressure washer I got free with the Toro recycler in Flemington the other day. It's 5 horsepower, 2600 psi max. It happened to have one of those quick disconnect hoses that big ass 10 horsepower one has that I needed that was missing. This is 10 horsepower. 5 horsepower, 2600, right? You gotta figure at 10 horsepower, my guess, that thing's gotta be at least 5,200 psi minimum. I'm gonna say it's probably like 5,500 psi max. It could be even more than that. It might be 6,000. I know the 5 horsepower ones they had were rated in the, I think, the 2,000 range. This is double. So this thing's got to be around 5,000 psi. I have the fire hose now. I'm in control of the fire myself now. See? See? I'm the fireman. I'm the fireman. Oh, yeah. Look at that, though. Holy cow. Holy cow. I'm the fireman. Holy shit. Look at that. Holy cow. Get on over there. See, I don't even need a leaf blower. Use the fire hose. Oh shit. Get out of here. Get. So I'd say that's 5,200 psi, no problem. It's double the horsepower of a 5 horse. You saw how that thing was shooting. That thing was shooting like a fire hose. I felt like a fireman for a minute there. I mean, I know them things are way more powerful, but that's what it felt like for a minute. Getting behind one of them fire hoses and going at it, with, against the fire. That's what that felt like. So that's what this is going up for sale as, an industrial pressure washer, 5,200 psi max. And I'm going to ask 300 for this sucker because it's a commercial unit. Of course, I don't know its exact psi. Could be a little less, could be a little more, but I guarantee it's got to be about 5,000. There's no way it's less than 5,000. And I wouldn't say it's 6 or 7. Who knows if it would really be? I mean, it was. Look at that rim, that rim. Oh my gosh, that rim looks like it's a brand new rim. I hit it. Look at that sucker. So, yeah, that thing will clean off roofs and everything else. So, yep, there she is. Now the question is, will I have another setup for that one to sell that one? I gotta find another snap-in hose, and yeah, at least the snap-in hose for the unit. The gun part of it can be twist on, twist off. But damn, that's definitely the most powerful one I've ever gotten behind. That sucker was like, see ya. Now let me just see on this one if the pump is still good, which hopefully it is. Hose goes in here, and this I think you could probably change. So I might be able to change this to a regular screw-on type, because I've got 100 of those old screw-on type ones laying around from those other pressure washers that always go bad. So either way, we'll figure it out. But damn, that was cool. All right, guys, thanks for watching.